down, baby. I'm recording, please. I'm recording. Oh my God, they're all over me. Turn it off, please, Lyric. Man, oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Okay. There. Oh my goodness. Is it on my back? I feel it.
No.
They're
all over you.
Get them off of me. Catherine, why are you sitting there and let these things crawl all over me like this? Thank you. Get them off, Lyric. I don't care if you hit me. Just get them off of me. I feel them.